Now they do flap their ears back and forth as a way of staying cool. Matter of fact, they can stay up to 15 degrees cooler by flapping their ears back and forth. Now we have reached Flamingo Island, home of the greater flamingo. It takes a few years for them to turn pink from head to toe from the tiny brine shrimp and other creatures it does eat there in the water. Now they are the lighter of the flamingo species, with the Florida flamingo being the darker. To head up to the white rhino area. Now this is an area I've seen some hoof prints, so we may find some white rhino through here. Now white rhinos are also threatened by humans, mainly the poachers with very well-financed organizations and some pretty sophisticated equipment. They are hunted for their horns, which can actually be safely removed, and are made of the same material that your fingernails are made from, so they're really not special. But this is one of the areas that you can see those hoof prints where they have come down to the mud holes. They'll roll around in that mud periodically throughout the day, kind of stay cool. Now we do have a couple of cheetah up ahead. I do see them here on the hill. There's 3 of them to be exact. If you look here on the left, you'll see the cheetahs there on the hill. Now cheetahs are the fastest land mammal. They can run up to 65 miles an hour. Now they are sprinters, not runners, and they like to hunt in the daylight hours. Oh, and I do see some lions moving about up on the hill. Just on the tail, and we'll see if we can't get a little bit closer. Lions actually sleep on average about 18 to 20 hours a day. The female does the majority of the hunting for the pride, which is pretty unusual. It's the only big cat family where the female does the hunting, and the male does not generally participate. Keep your eyes open. I know I just saw the female walking around. Oh, and there we go, folks. It's a male and 2 females. Get a little bit closer. Sometimes you can hear him do a roar, like a roar grunt. And that's to warn other males that this is his territory. And there's a good picture of the female. She's kind of crashed out there. But her eyes are open. Alright, we have found some warthogs here. Folks, those warthogs, we'll dig out those burrow holes. We'll actually back into them, revealing those razor sharp tusks. Now they can run up to 35 to 40 miles an hour, which is very helpful, because sometimes they are chased by a lion. That was Mama running down the hill there. Now here we have some ostrich with the ostrich eggs. The tallest bird, standing 7 foot tall with the longest wingspan. Unfortunately, they cannot fly. Coming up to another area of the reserve that has been dedicated back to the animals. This is an area that this particular animal once roamed in, but were basically run off, but they have been brought back to their natural habitat. And we are about to see some zebras up ahead. Zebras are actually black with white stripes. And here's a group there on our right. Now look at those hindquarters there, folks. Those hindquarters are so strong that they can actually break the jaw of an attacking lion.
Esto graba hasta 1 hora o 2. Pero tuve un video ya, porque iba por casi 14 minutos.
We're about to enter the area where you have some beautiful waterfalls. It's a great time to reflect on all the animals you saw today and how maybe you can help with those animals' conservation efforts. And also say goodbye to the end of our safari. But no worries, we don't say goodbye here. We say Kwahari, and that means to go well. Kwahari, everyone. Now make sure you have all those items together as we do head in here to duck. And you'll be well on your way to enjoying the rest of your journey there at Disney's Animal Kingdom.